Since I am a lazy person, I like to do online classes because
Do they charge
they charge around 1.3 lakhs.
1.3 lakh?
The most important powerful mechanical automobile industry is the Lamborghini and Ferrari.
Hey guys, welcome back once again to another video. मेरा नाम है दीपांशु और मैं स्टडी वीज़ास और वर्क वीज़ा से रिलेटेड वीडियोस बनाता हूँ. आज का वीडियो कम्प्लीटली इंग्लिश में होने वाला है क्योंकि मेरे साथ जो आज के गेस्ट है हमारे उनको हिंदी नहीं आती, इसलिए कम्प्लीटली इंग्लिश में वीडियो होने वाला है. सो सबसे पहले आई रिक्वेस्ट यू ऑल कि आप चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और इस वीडियो को लाइक भी कीजिएगा जब आपको एंड में ये वीडियो अगर पसंद आता है तो. बिकॉज इन दिस वीडियो वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट लाइफ एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ अर्जुन हु इज़ अ मैकेनिकल इंजीनियर एंड साथ ही साथ विल डिस्कस कि यहाँ पर वेजिटेरियन स्टूडेंट की लाइफ कैसी होती है क्योंकि बड़ा मुश्किल होता है अब्रॉड में एज अ वेजिटेरियन सर्वाइव करना. एनीवेज, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल अर्जुन, आई वुड लाइक टू थैंक यू फॉर कमिंग ऑन आवर यूट्यूब चैनल.
Welcome.
So before starting, can you please introduce yourself, Arjun?
Yeah, my name is Arjun and I came from Kerala, Kottayam. Okay, I have done my bachelor's in mechanical engineering in Pathanamthitta, and after that I was searching for different countries, and I find Italy as a good choice for mechanical engineers. So I came here, and I am doing masters in mechanical engineering here.
All right. So as he is from Kerala, like Kottayam.
Kottayam.
Right?
I am
So
Malayali.
You guys don't speak Hindi over there?
No, I will not. We will not speak a little bit Hindi only.
Little
maybe.
bit Hindi only.
Ah.
But we share tea every morning, right? But
Yeah, sure.
tea is more preferable over
Preferably
here.
over here and there.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's really nice. So Arjun, like let's start from your previous education first.
Okay.
What have you done back in India?
I have done my bachelor's BTech in mechanical engineering from Kerala Technological University. Okay, I studied in Believers Church Carmel Engineering College. It is in Pathanamthitta. Okay, after that I have some supplies and arrears also. Backlogs are there. So I was waiting to clear it all. And when I cleared that, I got a chance to. I was searching for different countries like Germany. I given my first preference to Germany, and looking at my grades CGPA, I find it is much more difficult to come Germany. So next chance for the next chance, the mechanical engineer will choose Italy. So I choose Italy, and I have got scholarships also. So I think better to choose Italy, and you can plan your future according to that.
All right. So what was your grades in graduation?
I got something around 7 CGPA.
7 CGPA, and
Yeah.
you were telling me that you got supplementaries, backlogs.
Backlogs are for every mechanical engineer, no? No, yeah.
All right. So why you chose Italy only for mechanical engineering? Like I have seen most of the mechanical engineering aspirants choose Germany as their destination. No.
Yeah, the best important thing is the most important powerful mechanical automobile industry is the Lamborghini and Ferrari. So if anyone searches the fastest car in the world or is any sports cars, everything, it will only land in Italy itself.
Yeah,
Lamborghini and Ferrari. There is no words other than Lamborghini and Ferrari for Italy.
All right. So if you are a mechanical engineer or looking for a mechanical engineering master degree from Europe, then I think he has already given the answer: Lamborghini and Ferrari. These two words you have to remember, and these two companies are from Italy. That's why my friend Arjun is here. So, like at the time, why you were initially interested in Germany, right?
Yeah, initially I was
But just because of grades, you came to Italy,
I
right?
came to Italy. Yeah.
All right.
And I am planning to move to Germany afterwards, maybe. Maybe. If there is any possibility, then I will be moving to Germany because mechanical engineers have more chances in Germany than Italy. So
opportunities are more in Germany. That's what you
Yeah,
want to
that's
say.
right. Yeah.
All right. And like as I have seen we both stay together at this point of time. So you are learning German as well, right?
Yeah, I was learning quite German and some Italian also.
Some Italian also.
Yeah. Because in future maybe there will be a possibility for moving in here and there. So it will be good.
So he's the first guy who is in Italy and learning German.
No, maybe many more is there.
Many more.
Many more, yeah.
We don't know.
Okay.
All right. So like at the time of application, like how did you come? Did you came through any agent or by yourself?
Yeah, first of all, I was looking for my applying myself, but I think that there is some dates and so many scholarship dates and
Yeah,
something,
deadlines
some deadlines are there because I do not know something. So I approached one agency, and through that I came here.
All right. So how much do they charge?
They charge around 1.3 lakhs.
1.3 lakhs. And when you were applying, Arjun, at the time of application, did you submitted your IELTS score or something like that?
No, just I went for IELTS coaching only, but I did not take an IELTS exam. And at the time of admission, I heard that there is no need of IELTS. So we only need MOI, the medium of language as in English, from the university or from the college.
So you went to the IELTS coaching center, but
Yeah.
you didn't give the IELTS.
No, I did not give that because I think I can improve my English also. So I went to
That's
yes,
really
coaching.
nice. That's
Yeah.
really nice. So he came without IELTS. All right, that's also perfect. Now, regarding the scholarship, Arjun, have
yeah.
you got scholarship?
No, I think I came late, so I think it is pending for me. Will be arriving this month or next month maybe.
Oh, this month in May month.
May
all
month
right.
or yeah.
So it is 100% scholarship.
Yeah, it's sure for me.
It covers all your tuition fees.
Yeah,
and,
it's living expenses, everything.
everything is covered,
Yeah,
right?
it's, there is no need of asking money from.
So as classes are going online,
Yeah,
Arjun,
no.
so how is your experience of attending online classes?
Yeah, only, since I am a lazy person, I like to do online classes because no need to wake up in the morning and go to colleges and do something. So I can manage my time here also. Yeah.
All right. So what do you do throughout the day?
No.
Please explain. The honest thing, which I know.
Oh, everything is honest here, yeah. Just wake up in the morning, something around 8, 9. Then afterwards making tea or something, and daily routine, and studying some little bit.
Really?
Really, really, why?
Alright.
Okay, then afterwards, everyone uses social media, Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook, everything. YouTube also. I am a big fan of Dipanji also.
I make videos in Hindi, you don't understand.
But now I am a big fan of you. You started making video of me also.
Yeah, bro. Now you will watch it for sure, this video, right?
Yeah.
Till the end.
Till the end, okay.
Alright, and you watch and rest it.
Yeah, that's all. Yeah.
That's how your
That's
days
my
was.
day. Yeah.
Now, the important question is like most of the students are vegetarian students. How hard is to survive here as a vegetarian?
Okay, for me, I think because since my childhood, I did not eat any veg.
As a Malayalam,
Yeah,
as
as
a
a
Malayali guy, it's
Kerala,
very hard to believe that you're a vegetarian.
I am vegetarian. But in whole child, something around 5 or 6 standard, I used to eat egg, but I stopped that. And now, after that, I am planning for a diet in vegetarian only. I do not like to eat any because I did not tasted it. So I do not have
You
the
have never
taste of
tasted chicken or
no,
something?
nothing. So I do not have the taste. What is that? So I am not bothered about non-veg. And also I got a roommate who is vegetarian here. Okay, so we both are planning and eating like that.
All right.
Yeah.
So, like, what do you eat over here? Is vegetables costly over here, or
No, I do not think that vegetables are more expensive here. It's quite cheaper. We can buy from markets, and also we can make pasta, pizza, veg pizza. Everything is there, and also many Indian stores are there. We can buy anything from Indian stores like dal, something, everything.
so what? Like every day, what do you make at your home?
No, we will prefer some special daily changing. Maybe if one day is pizza, then one day will be pasta, then other day will be rice, and also maybe chapatis like that. We are changing daily.
So it's easy to get Indian food over here.
Yeah, it's quite easy. It's very easy. I think it's very easy to get.
So yeah, daily there is no problem regarding vegetarian guys, because guys, daily we eat rice, chapati,
pasta,
and dal.
pizza,
Yeah,
dal,
pasta, pizza,
everything is here.
everything we get.
Most cabbage, carrot, everything is available.
Yeah, everything is available here, and after this video we will have the tea also. So if you're a tea lover also,
Yeah,
you will
sure,
find everything,
we will
you'll
find
get
tea. Yeah.
everything. Alright, so that's all about the vegetarian part. Now, like most of the Malayali students will watch this video from Kerala. So, what you want to say something for them in Malayalam?
Malayalam. No, I think they will know my English and എനിക്ക് പറയാനുള്ളത് ഇതാണ്. എൻ്റെ ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് അത്ര സുഖമൊന്നുമില്ല, പിന്നെ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് മനസ്സിലാവുമെന്ന് വിചാരിക്കുന്നു. ഓക്കെ. പിന്നെ അതുപോലെ തന്നെ ദിപാഞ്ച് ബ്രോ ഒരു ഇന്റർവ്യൂ പറഞ്ഞപ്പോഴത്തന്നെ നമ്മൾ ചെയ്തില്ലെങ്കിൽ അത് മോശമാണല്ലോ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു. അത് തന്നെ അത് പറയാൻ പറഞ്ഞു കേട്ടോ. അപ്പൊ നിങ്ങൾ എല്ലാവരും ദിപാഞ്ച് ബ്രോയുടെ എല്ലാ വീഡിയോയും കാണുക, ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യുക, സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക. പിന്നെ 100K സബ്സ്ക്രൈബേഴ്സ് ആകാനിരിക്കുകയാണ്. എല്ലാരും ഒന്ന് പൊളിക്കുക അല്ലേ?
Alright, no problem. I know some Malayali words, but I can't speak them.
Maybe that is a bad words.
Bad words.
No,
To learn any language, first of all, we need to learn bad words of that language.
Yeah, sure.
Alright. So, how's your experience of staying like 8 months, probably?
I am fine with this, but the main is the beauty of my casino. Beauty of my casino city. And I think we can find the beauty of casino as my Kerala itself, because hills, trees, everything is here. And also the city is very small compared to Rome or something. So I was just searching for part time, but here there is no part time, lack of part time. So I was going to do part time in another city.
All right. So yeah, I have been to Kerala once, and I know there are a lot of greenery over there. I've been to Kovalam Beach, Trivandrum.
Oh yeah. Okay.
So it's full of greenery in Kerala, and people say it God's own
country. Yeah. Sure.
It's truly. All right. So like regarding the part-time jobs, it's really hard to find here in casino.
In casino.
But we can go to Rome and find
it.
That's not a problem.
It's good.
All right. And now the most important question for the mechanical engineers: what is the future scope of mechanical engineers? Suppose if you pursue your master degree, what are the after study opportunities?
For masters in mechanical engineers, there is a very different field here, because the University of Italy maybe prefer only some main projects and also software works only. Okay, and there is no, I think the theory is less in here.
Theory part is
less practical. They prefer more practical knowledges to gain, so that maybe it is usable for future works. And also I think that studying Italian also with that will be a good for opportunities, job opportunities in future ways.
So overall, if you learn Italian language, then you will get more job opportunities over here in Italy.
For mechanical engineers also.
But like suppose if someone completed masters from here, can he be able to go to Germany and find a job over there?
Yeah, I think if you know German languages also, it is easy to do internship or any search and job in. There is much more websites, like LinkedIn. You can search, you can get a job there.
All right. So now the last thing, but most importantly, would you like to give any message to our viewers?
Can I speak in Malayalam?
Apart from watching short movies here and
can I speak in Malayalam? Or?
Yes. I want you to speak in Malayalam only.
Okay. ഇത് കാണുന്ന എല്ലാ മലയാളികൾക്കും എനിക്ക് പറയാനുള്ളത്, ഞാൻ നോക്കിയിട്ട് ഏറ്റവും നല്ലൊരു ഓപ്പർച്യൂണിറ്റി ഇറ്റലി തരുന്നുണ്ട്. അപ്പം നിങ്ങൾ അത് ചൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്നതായിരിക്കും നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഭാഗ്യം. പിന്നെ ഇറ്റലി യൂസ് ചെയ്താൽ തന്നെ ഇത് ഷെങ്കൻ കൺട്രിയാണ്. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് പിന്നെ ഭാവിയിൽ അങ്ങോട്ടും ഇങ്ങോട്ടൊക്കെ മാറി കളിക്കാനും എളുപ്പമുണ്ട്. ഇത്രയൊക്കെ എനിക്ക് ഇറ്റലിയെ കുറിച്ച്. ഇറ്റലി പിന്നെ നല്ലതായിട്ട് സ്കോളർഷിപ്പ് പ്രൊവൈഡ് ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട്. ആർക്കെങ്കിലും താല്പര്യം ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ഫോളോ ചെയ്യുക ഇറ്റലി.
All right, so that was his message. I don't know what he said, but still.
I said simply Italy.
All right, so guys, I think Arjun, we have covered almost everything.
Surely.
Shall we end it up here?
Okay. അപ്പം നമുക്ക് പിന്നെ കാണാം.
And once again tell them to subscribe and like the video.
അതുപോലെ മുമ്പേ പറഞ്ഞ പോലെ തന്നെ എല്ലാവരും സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക. ഞങ്ങൾക്ക് 100K ആയിട്ട് വേണം, ഒരു എൻജോയ്മെന്റ് ഉണ്ട്, അത് നോക്കിയിരിക്കുകയാണ്. Okay.
All right, brother. So thank you for watching this video till the end. Have a good day, guys. Thank you, Arjun.
Okay, bro. Welcome.
Bye.